Hi friends, my name is Suman and I'm here to share my experience after undergoing IVF under Dr. Vajanti's services in her clinic. This is a life-changing moment for me, and as I went through two cycles of IVF in November 2020. I came from Dubai with a little hope of being a mother, as I was told that because of the advanced maternal age, I may not be able to conceive naturally. So what I did was, okay, I opted for a cycle of IUI, which was failed, and then I opted for IVF. And I was referred by one of the doctors from the other clinic in Hyderabad, where I had my polyp removal surgery, because that's one of the hindrances that could be there in order for you to be a mother. So this was in 2019, and again in 2020, after a long trial of being a mother, I was referred by this doctor, and I was referred to Dr. Vajanti for the IVF. And yes, before like everyone else, I had to read her the background, the educational background she has had, and believe me, she has 25 years of experience, and more than her experience, it's her as a personality, the kind of positive vibes you get when you are with her. And this is exactly what actually pushed me to go for the IVF in November 2020, where I had gone through pain, as I believe no pain, no gain. And I had to go through a lot of injections and the medicines, which actually creates so many changes in your body. You have mood swings and everything. And still, I try to cope with it. And despite all these efforts, where I tried my best, whatever was there in my control, to be healthy, to eat healthy, and to meditate, and just to calm my mind of these apprehensions of whatever is going to be the result of the IVF. And unfortunately, yes, my IVF was failed. First IVF was failed, and then yeah, it disheartened me. It brought me really down. And then I was like, okay, I'm not going for any other cycle. And it took me 2 weeks to recover this. And so what I did was, I took a break for 2 months, tried to just manage my finances, do the budgeting in my house, discuss it with my mama and with my brothers and my husband. And we all sat together and said, okay, let us try whatever we can put in. And yes, in February of 2021, I tried for the IVF again. And the first day I approached Dr. Vajanti, she herself sounded so positive because I was trying my best to go for it again. So she said, okay, let's try it again. And that's when I went for the IVF, again the same cycle of medicines, the injections. And the day I had my egg retrieval surgery, and believe me, that day the kind of positive words I had from Dr. Vajanti, it was like, okay, this is going to work this time. I had that kind of vibes around. And right from that day till the blastocyst stage, when again doctor appreciated the fact that the quality went really well, that again motivated me and gave me and made my hopes stronger and stronger. And then there was a long wait of 2 weeks, of course, and which was again a lot of apprehensions inside me, where I was advised by everyone in the clinic, the friendly staff over here, to be calm, to just forget about it and continue doing your daily chores, daily work activities. And I did that, and after 2 weeks, yeah, I got this happy news that the IVF resulted in a positive pregnancy, and that too at a very good level. And that's when I was like, okay, I believe that if this pandemic was not there, I could have hugged Dr. Vajanti, because she was there and I had tears in my eyes, those happy tears, you know. And believe me, it's just the hopes that you can keep on going, and that's the only thing we can continue with, because rest all I believe in God, and rest all I just leave it up to Him. Whatever is in your hand, I would suggest just continue doing that. And yes, my personal recommendation, if I could, would be to Dr. Vajanti. Approach her and discuss your problems with her. I'm sure, if not once, if not twice, in the third time, but it will definitely be successful. Thank you so much.